You'll never defeat me now, Greg, because this robot has more power than ever. With the press of this button on— Oh no, what's happening? Action! Well, my job is done here.
You were watching a show about little kitties. Ah, he's so cute.
Yeah.
Why do you think the boss is mad this time?
Maybe because Greg defeated him for, like, I don't know, a 13th time? Don't talk to me! Boss, I don't want to hear it! Okay. I'm sick of losing to that stupid boy. I always find him in the same place. I always lose. I have an idea. What if I don't fight him in land, but rather in the air?
You did that, and you failed.
Yeah. Well, I'll just try it again. I wonder what now. Hello, Speedman. What the heck, Dr. Evil? Hahaha. Yes, you know the way you always battle me on land? Wait, where's my hard voice? You know the way you always battle me on land? Yeah. Well, now you're gonna have to face me in the sky if you want to defeat me. Oh, really? Can you fly? No. Haha! Well, good luck defeating me! Oh, don't worry, I will. Rose!
Yay! I can't believe I get to start a helicopter!
Alright, Rosie, ready to fly?
Yeah!
Alright, where is he? Ha ha ha! Looks like you found me. And now we're gonna have a showdown in the sky. You ready for this? Oh, it's on! Oh, I'm running out of gas. I'm running out of gas!
Yeah! Woohoo!
I guess you leave me no choice, huh? Huh? Ha 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 ha. No! I guess our job is done.
Yeah, let's go!
Yeah. We did it, I guess. So what should we do now?
Let's go play!
Okay.
They're throwing ball at each other.
Right. Okay. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Sir, I don't want to hear it!